In today's video, you'll learn how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online so you can organize your expenses accurately and keep your financial records clean and easy to understand. Sometimes a single payment includes multiple expenses. For example, one purchase might include office supplies and travel costs. Instead of recording everything under one category, QuickBooks lets you divide the transaction into separate parts. To begin, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the main dashboard. From the left menu, click on Transactions to open your list of financial activities. Next, choose the account where the transaction is stored. This could be a bank account or a credit card account. Once you open the correct account, scroll through the transactions until you find the one you want to split. Click on the transaction to open the Details panel. This is where you can edit and organize the information. Look for the Split option and select it to continue. A split window will appear where you can divide the total amount into different categories. Enter the first category and the amount that belongs to it. Then add another line for the next category and continue until the full amount has been assigned. Make sure the total of all split amounts matches the original transaction. This step is important to keep your records accurate. After reviewing the details, confirm the changes to save the split transaction. QuickBooks will update the record and apply the categories you selected. Splitting transactions is a simple way to get better insights into your spending and keep your bookkeeping organized. And that's how you split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.